Hi viewers, welcome. Today we have this Acer gaming laptop and this is not turning on. The owner is a shopkeeper. He told me that he cleaned the processor and he put the thermal paste in it. But after that, when he assembled it, there is no power. I show you. Here you can see I plug in the adapter here and here is no ampere consumption is 0. As you can see, I will switch on and you can see here is no changes in the ampere consumption. It is totally 000. Let's open it and we will see what is the problem. So guys, first of all we will see if there is any shortage in any section. So here this is the RAM supply I think, and this is standby voltage I think so, maybe 3 volt, and this one I think 5 volt. 5 volt supply impedance. 5 volt impedance is okay, but 3 volt impedance is very low. 0. So what is the condition here? So here is also shortage. This is the pin number 8 of BIOS IC. Here is the shortage, and so the IOIC and the processor can be the faulty. One of them is short, so we will give the supply now directly to the 3 volt. We will see which one is overheating. We can identify which one is the faulty. This is overheating too much. This is the short main chip. Let me show you. I will put liquid on it and let's see. You can see the liquid dries very fast. You can see the chip is dried very fast. So actually this chip is short. This is our main controller Intel chipset, PCH. So if we remove this chip, then it will be okay. But right now we don't have this chip, so we will assemble it and return to the customer with the mention this problem. This chip is problem. This is a procedure to diagnose the problem, which chip is problematic, and Thank you very much for watching the video. We will assemble it now. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.